Heart failure symptoms suck the life out of you. Everyday activities are exhausting. It's time to take action to improve your health with a breakthrough option. A heart failure therapy that uses your body's most intelligent organ to help its most vital. Introducing Barostim, a simple device that uses the power of your brain to treat your heart failure symptoms. Heart failure is commonly treated with medications that can help alleviate symptoms. Barostim is now an effective option when medications aren't enough. Barostim is not a pacemaker or defibrillator. It's an innovative therapy that outsmarts the heart by actively stimulating natural sensors in your body that tell your brain how to regulate your heart, improving the symptoms of heart failure. Barostim is implanted inside your body in a simple, short procedure. You'll probably go home the same day. Barostim has been shown to safely reduce symptoms of heart failure and improve quality of life. Patients in the clinical study who received Barostim, in addition to their medication, were able to walk significantly farther than those only taking medication. Patients with Barostim felt better to experience life near and far. Breathe new life back into your life. Give yourself an opportunity to turn heart failure into heart success. Barostim, outsmart the heart.